Need to manage your portfolio on the go? The Schwab mobile app is a powerful, full-featured tool right in your pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download the Schwab mobile app and log in. The home screen shows your portfolio summary. Tap Trade at the bottom to buy or sell stocks, ETFs, and options. You can access research, stream real-time quotes, and even deposit checks with Mobile Check Deposit. The interface is designed for quick, secure actions with fingerprint or Face ID login. My crucial pro tip: customize your watch lists. Create multiple watch lists for different strategies, like dividend stocks, watch for dips, or tech holdings. Having them ready on your phone lets you quickly spot opportunities and act no matter where you are. Turn waiting time into productive portfolio management time. Do you do most of your investing on a computer or on your phone? For more guides on mobile investing, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.